Howdy gang. In today's episode of Pool School, I am going to answer another common question I get regarding what kind of floating chlorine dispenser I use for the tablets. So let's dive right in. This question actually is quite easy to answer, so this is going to be a fairly short video, but I do get it often. And there are a lot of actual floating tablet holders for pools, and a lot of them are really cute and they have little, like, you know, animals on top and things like that. But I like simple and I like easy, and so my go-to tablet floating chlorinator is this one right here. It looks just like that, and if you do a Google search online and just look up floating chlorine tablet dispenser or tablet holder, you'll see a bunch of these. I went and did a look online and I found several of them for under 10 bucks, maybe just over 10 bucks, but they had free shipping too, so that was a pretty good thing. I like these because this little blue part in the bottom, you can twist this and adjust the openings. See the openings there? And you can adjust for, like in the winter months when you don't need quite as much chlorine being distributed into your pool and slower erosion on the tablets, you can close those vents a little bit. But if you're in your swim season, you can open that fully. This also holds about 5 to 6 tablets, the 3-inch tablets, and they do make a bigger one that's deeper that will hold like 9 to 11 tablets. And that's if you have a bigger pool and you have much more use of your pool. Notice they're very simple to use. You just unscrew this, and I've described that in previous videos. But that is my go-to chlorine tablet floater. Hey, one more quick thing I want to tell you that's kind of unrelated to the subject of floating chlorine dispensers, but it's regarding chlorine in your pool. So we've had a lot of rain lately for Arizona, and understand when you have a lot of rain, and like we've had several inches, that's going to add water to your pool. That water that's going into your pool has no chlorine in it. So you may notice after a rain that your pool, before the rain, had plenty of chlorine in it and the levels were ideal, but then the moment you checked it after all the rain, you were like, wow, I've got hardly any chlorine in my pool. That's because that's all that fresh water being dumped in your pool and it diluted it, so your chlorine levels might be a little lower. If that happens, throw a little extra shock in your pool or add a couple extra tablets, give it a few days and it should be fine. So that is my short lesson on my favorite type of floating chlorine tablet holder. I hope it helped, hope it makes sense. If you have any questions or comments, remember you can post them in the section below here, this video, or you can email me directly, and I'm going to put it right across the middle of the screen. It's kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel and share this channel with any friends that might be pool owners who want to do it themselves. And as always, have fun, be safe, and always watch those kids around water. And I will see you next time.